Hello, this is my bike. It is a 2021 Commencal Clash ride model. Now with the specs, the fork is a RockShox Zeb Charger R model. The shock is a RockShox Super Deluxe Select, which has rebound damping. Both air suspension, because air is very nice. For the brakes, we've got SRAM code Rs, and they're very powerful. Not really. For the drivetrain, we've got SRAM SX Eagle, that is 12 speed for you peasants out there. Wheels are the E13 LG1 base with 33mm external width. Very nice. Crankset, I don't know, they say SRAM on them. It has a dropper post. The seat is a Chromag Overture Brand Seminuk signature. Onto the cockpit, the bar is a Ride Alpha 31.8mm clamp, 780mm width. Very good. Rolled it all the way back for some shorter reach. Grips are Ride Alpha DH grips. Blue valve caps. Maxxis Assegai tyre, Maxxis Dissector tyre. The mismatch combo. Let's get into some riding.